In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share a Google Drive link in a Facebook group. So what we need to do is basically go to our Google Drive. If you don't know how to go there, just go to Google and search for Google Drive. After that, you will log into your Google account, click on the first link and you will be redirected into this Google Drive. So if you want to share a link of your Google Drive files into a Facebook group, then you can click on the three dots and after that you will see the share option. Click on copy link and then you can go to Facebook. If you want to share this in a Facebook group, just click on groups and as you can see, you can find your groups over here on the left side. Let's say we would like to share it in this group. I will click it away. Now you can just copy paste the link into this message and you can post it into the Facebook group.